guys, welcome to the kitchen today. I wanted to do a grocery haul slash like healthy staples on a budget for you guys today. So I just went grocery shopping. That was kind of crazy, but we're back now. How much I got all these groceries for, how much each item was roughly, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Vitamin water was on sale this week. So I've heard both good and bad things about vitamin water. I've heard that there are too many vitamins in it for you on a day-to-day basis, and I've heard that it's really good for you. So sometimes I'll drink just one every so often, and since it was on sale, I decided to get some. And then sometimes I will also just drink like half of one and then drink the other half the next day. Next, I got this small bag of potatoes. I like to use these with just like chicken, so just like chopped up chicken and chopped up potatoes, just cook those, and it's just a really nice, healthy, simple dinner with some vegetables. I also got a sweet onion. I just kind of use this in pretty much everything. I got a thing of multigrain tortillas. I like to use these with like turkey and spinach and cheese, so like a kind of like a wrap. I also use them for tacos and quesadillas. These are called Jif Power-Ups. They're like granola and peanut butter basically mixed together. I typically like to make my own. They're kind of like energy bites. I'll leave the recipe for those down below. But I decided like if it's just something that I need like quick and easy, then I can grab a package of these on the go. I also just got a dozen eggs because eggs are great for a quick, easy breakfast or also for a lunch or dinner. I got some bananas because this is great for like peanut butter banana toast. That's pretty much the only thing I really eat bananas with is toast in the morning. But it's also really good for like acai bowls and just to eat. You can also freeze these, dip them in like some dark chocolate for a nice healthier treat. I got some sweet grape tomatoes because they're small enough that I can just quickly wash them and throw them into a salad or like a taco salad or anything like that. Something just quick and easy. I can just wash them and eat them. I also got just 2 avocados. I already have quite a few in the fridge, but I wanted to get a couple more because I use these for pretty much everything. Guacamole, avocado toast, yeah, lots of things that I can use avocados for. I got 2 packages of these 2-pound strawberries. They were like really, really inexpensive. They were on sale this week, so I got some of these because I love strawberries. They're a really nice treat or a snack because they're kind of sweet but with natural sugar, so I can have this like after a meal or something. I typically stay away from frozen food, but I did buy these frozen home-style waffles just for a quick breakfast when I'm not feeling like making anything. I can just throw one of these in the microwave or the toaster, and I could have it with peanut butter or honey and some berries. Something just kind of simple but still semi-healthy for breakfast. I got a couple different kinds of cheese. So I got the Colby cheese that's in like a block, and then I got some provolone slices. So I will typically eat, honestly, both of these with just crackers, and it's just a quick snack for me that's still somewhat sort of healthy. I honestly cheese like sandwiches. I use the slices for sandwiches. Yeah, it's cheese, so pretty basic and pretty simple and versatile. I also got a pack of blueberries. I typically make blueberry muffins with these because I'll be honest, I'm not really a fan of blueberries by themselves, but with smoothies or a fruit bowl or yeah, blueberry muffins I will use these for. I got a bag of baby carrots for chopping up and putting into my salad, or I'll typically eat these with hummus. Speaking of hummus, I got some roasted red pepper hummus. It's my favorite kind of hummus. They have like 4 or 5 different kinds, but this is my absolute favorite, and I'll eat this with either pretzel crisps, which I meant to get at the store today actually. I always forget something. And I'll also eat this with carrots. I got this salad kit for like $2 at Aldi. It's just a Caesar salad kit, so it has croutons, Caesar dressing, and shredded Parmesan cheese, and then romaine lettuce already chopped up. I like the salad kits because it's really simple to just throw it into a container and, you know, add the dressing, add the croutons and the cheese, and put the lid on it and go. So it's a quick, simple dinner for me typically when I'm at work. So I really like the salad kits, and the ones at Aldi are pretty cheap compared to already prepared salad kits at like Walmart or another grocery store. The last thing I got are these mixed nuts. There's peanuts, almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, and pecans with sea salt in here. So I typically use this for like a trail mix, or I'll just grab a handful after a workout, or again for a snack. So another staple, I didn't get any more of this today, but I already had it in my fridge, is the Fairlife chocolate milk. I typically have a glass of this after a workout sometimes. I don't drink it on a daily basis, but it's high in protein and this is like really good chocolate milk for you. There are some other staples that I typically get when I go out grocery shopping, just kind of depends on the week and what I have in the fridge already. But lunch meat over the counter is typically something that I'll occasionally get, and I'll have that once or twice a week. Again, just something simple, but still has some protein and some meat, so I'm getting my protein in. Black beans are something that I typically buy a lot of. I already had some though, so I didn't get any of those this trip. Diced tomatoes are also something. This Sara Lee bread is something that I always get. If I don't already have any at home, because this is what I use to make my avocado toast and my peanut butter banana toast in the morning. I don't know why that was such a tongue twister for me to say, but yeah, so those are just a few other staples that I typically will get when I go out grocery shopping. But for the most part, this right here is what I will usually get. I try to stick to the more like fresh produce and that sort of thing, and just make salads and cook like meat and then add vegetables into that. I'll also buy frozen vegetables. I like to buy frozen vegetables because they last a lot longer. You can put them in the freezer, use them when you want to, need to, and they won't perish as quickly. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I really had a lot of fun making it. I love making videos like this. So if you did like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like this. And I will see you all super soon with another video. Bye guys!